Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2026 Chevrolet Equinox EV-LT with an electric motor. Amenities included such as premium leather heated ventilated seats, drive mode selector, ambient lighting, as well as Google Assistant and Maps, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to this interior, we're going to have the black interior with blue accents throughout the vehicle, paneling and storage on the bottom. Next to the power locks, mirrors and windows with your seat memory and these blue accents here. You have these heated ventilated leather seats, power adjustable, very comfortable. Left side will be your vents with lane keep assist, auto hold, and as well as your power trunk release there. And left side is steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and the right side will be your voice recognition, heated steering wheel, and odometer screen switch. You switch this through your different gauges here, your kilowatt, as well as your Google Maps, forward gap adjuster, and just your simple design. And onto the infotainment, equipped with Google Assistant and Maps, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. You can access drive mode selector here, as well as trailering, front, rear, and 360-degree camera with reverse auto braking, as well as the side cams. And Google Assistant Maps, and you're gonna have the climate controls all on the bottom there, with your heads-up display controls and as well as traction. And down below, you're gonna have the actual fans with a wireless charging pad, 2 USB-C ports, again the blue accent, and center console storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, the white stitch, and more of that blue accent. Speakers vents all the way across, regular and digital rear view. And then here you can access your reading lamps, as well as your OnStar and SOS. You're gonna have these Continental cross contact tires with these 21-inch aluminum wheels. You're gonna have the charge port, the access there. You're gonna have the Equinox EV badging, paint match mirror caps with these sleek door handles, luggage sider up top, tinted rear glass in the back, and its LED taillights go all the way across there. The backup camera. You have the 60/40 rear folding split seats with LED lamps in the back, as well as storage on the sides and extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage next to the speaker, power window with chrome accent. Out the back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger side with rear vents, rear heated seating, and USB ports. Oops. Cup holder and armrest right in the center there. The lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2026 Chevrolet Equinox EV-LT. Again, with heated ventilated leather seats, drive mode selector, Google Assistant and Maps, lane keep assist, power trunk release, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.